This is how to solve a Pyraminx in under 60 seconds. First, you need to learn about the pieces. These are centers, these are edges, and these are tips. So the first step is to make the centers. So for here, I'm going to make this yellow center. So I see a piece over here, here, and here. So I will align them together. So we have these three centers together. Now we are going to do the edges. So in this step, you have to align an edge correctly over here at the right place of it. So for here, I've done the yellow centers. So I'm going to do yellow edges. So first, you need to bring an edge at the front. So for example, I bring this over here. And then if it's at the right hand side, you have to do this. And if the edge is at the left side, you have to do this. If an edge is at the bottom layer misaligned with the centers, you just have to do either one of these algorithms. For here, I'm going to do this one and then bring it in the center and then align it. For the last step, you have to finish the entire Pyraminx. So there are a total of 5 cases for this and the algorithms are pretty simple. For this case where you have a V on the left and a V on the right, you have to do this. The second situation is when there is a V on the left and there is a V on the right. For this situation, you have to do this. When the edges have to go in a clockwise direction, you have to do this. And when the edges go in a counterclockwise direction, you have to do this. And lastly, where you have these two edges flipped and this edge solved, you have to do this. And if you have any misaligned tips, you can align them back again.